Data analytics and artificial intelligence, AI, are closely related but distinct concepts. While data analytics involves extracting insights from data to inform decision-making, AI encompasses a broader set of technologies that enable machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. In many cases, AI can complement and enhance data analytics by automating complex tasks, uncovering deeper insights, and enabling predictive capabilities. Here's how AI can play a role in the realm of data analytics. Automated data processing. AI algorithms can automate the process of collecting, cleaning, and organizing large volumes of data, saving time and reducing human error in data preparation tasks. Advanced analytics. AI techniques such as machine learning and deep learning can analyze complex datasets to uncover patterns, correlations, and anomalies that may not be apparent through traditional analytics methods. Predictive analytics. AI-powered predictive models can forecast future trends and outcomes based on historical data, enabling organizations to make proactive decisions and anticipate changes in their operating environment. Natural language processing. NLP. AI-driven NLP technologies can analyze unstructured data such as text documents, social media posts, and customer reviews to extract meaningful insights and sentiment analysis. Image and video analysis. AI algorithms can analyze images and videos to identify objects, recognize patterns, and extract valuable information, enabling applications such as facial recognition, object detection, and quality control in manufacturing. Personalization. AI-powered recommendation systems can analyze user behavior and preferences to deliver personalized recommendations in e-commerce, content streaming, and other online platforms. While AI can automate many aspects of data analytics and enhance its capabilities, it's important to note that AI is not a replacement for human judgment and domain expertise. Human analysts are still needed to interpret AI-generated insights, validate findings, and make informed decisions based on the results. Additionally, ethical considerations and responsible use of AI are crucial to ensure that AI-driven analytics initiatives align with organizational values and comply with regulations.